have a little announcement for my Photo Insiders, and those of you who are wondering what Photo Insiders is, it is my online subscription platform. It's my community where I release educational videos every single month, and then there's a ton of videos that are already on there. Massive library at this point: wedding photography, portrait photography, flash, continuous light, natural light, you name it. But there are two major changes that are going to come to the platform, and I wanted to let all of you know, especially my current Photo Insiders. I think you're gonna like this update. Every month I promise to do a live video, and in the beginning I was doing live shoots for you, which are currently up there and they're recorded. As I progressed and as I learned more about what you want in your photo community, I learned that you want more business, and that was something I didn't have in there to begin with. So I am going to start incorporating more business modules, videos in there. And secondly, the live calls are going to transition. Instead of having calls where I'm shooting and you're watching, or maybe I'm talking at you while we're going over some business topic, what I want to do is create more of a mastermind scenario. What does that look like? Well, we're going to start off by all talking to each other. We're going to share wins or losses or whatever we want to talk about or geek out about as far as the photo community goes. That's going to happen first. Maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, depending how long we gab, of the call will be dedicated to that. Then we're going to move on to more of a hot seat format, at least for now. What you're going to do if you are a Photo Insider, I'm going to have a place for you to sign up to be in the hot seat. And we are changing the times of these to be more weeknight so that more of you can join live. And of course, they'll be recorded so you can see later. But if you are in the hot seat, you get to decide what it is that you want to concentrate on. Do you want us to look at your financials? Do you want us to look at your workflow, your client experience, maybe evaluate photos of yours or your website or Instagram? There's so many different options. It's up to you. You're in the hot seat. You're going to hear from me. Of course, I'll be guiding the conversation, but you'll also hear from your peers, fellow photographers that are going to see things that maybe I don't, or have insights that I don't have. So it's going to be mastermind style. We're going to give this a try and then record it, and hopefully more of you will be able to pop on, just because we'll start doing them monthly weeknights. Now, one last thing I do want to let you know, and this is not like a sense of urgency, you have to go buy now, but I am planning on raising the price of the monthly fee. So if you are not a Photo Insider right now, you can go ahead and just take a poke around for $3. And it will, after, I think it's 5 days, will put you into the monthly subscription, which right now is $27 a month. It will likely go up to $29 or $30. That is going to happen, just making you aware. Those of you that got in as founders at $24 a month, that's all you're paying for the rest of your life. If you're in at $27, fantastic, you stay there. There is also a yearly option. So if you want a whole week to look at everything, it's just $5 for a whole week. Poke around, get all the information you can. Hey, and if that's all you got, grab what you got and go and come back later. But that puts you into the yearly subscription, which right now I believe is like $310 or something like that for the year. But that will be going up as well. I don't know when. Again, not a sense of urgency, like you got a week to do this and go, but just want to give you some updates and some plans for what we have. If you haven't checked out Photo Insiders yet, we have a whole brand new community. I was hosting it on Discord, but decided to move into the back end of Kajabi, which is where all of my courses are hosted. You can check that out there. It has a ton of vendor discounts that I'm always updating. We have a running list of things you can get discounts for. I feel like there's over $2,000 worth of discounts in there right now. I really do hope you check out the online community. I hope this change for my Photo Insiders is going to be a fun one. It was one that I actually ran past everybody that came on the last month's live call, and it seemed to be like a good idea. So changes are more business stuff in general as far as the monthly content goes. Secondly, the live calls are going to transition to more of a mastermind, a real community. You can talk to each other, help each other grow. And then 3, yes, there will be a price increase at some point. If you're an insider, go ahead and check out, I probably have it in the live chat circle, some sort of sign up where you can say that you want to sign up to be in the hot seat and tell me what it is that you want to talk about so I can vary the topics month by month. Anyway, thank you so much. If you are an insider, really appreciate you being there. We've been having a lot of fun lately, and I'm really looking forward to growing this community to something impactful for all of us. See you later.